Please get ready for a dictation of part 2 of transcription number 122 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. I believe it can, and not only that, I believe it can ultimately succeed better, nor perhaps in yielding such great results quickly, but in laying a surer foundation and more effective foundation, not only for planned growth, but for the type of society which we wish to develop in this country. Now we talk about the future in terms of socialist pattern of society, and that can be interpreted in a variety of ways. I would beg this House to try to consider these great problems without using, as far as possible, words which have an emotional connotation, because then it becomes a little difficult for us to argue about the real thing. We want a society in this country where there is equality, where there is social cohesion, where there are no firm classes separated from each other, and where there is opportunity for every single individual. Naturally, how far an individual takes advantage of that opportunity depends a great deal on that individual, on his physical or mental or spiritual or whatever it is make up, because everybody is not alike. It is obvious that everybody is not either mentally or physically alike, but we should always ensure the same measure of opportunity to everyone. Now, it is not enough to say that we shall ensure the same measure of opportunity if the measure of opportunity is so low that there is practically no opportunity, it then does little good to say that everybody is getting the same measure of opportunity. Stop.